my name is Sakura. I'm a rising junior at the Brewery School, and my intensive project is a prosthetic hand that's powered by an Arduino and controlled by flex sensors mounted on the glove. So my first milestone was mounting those flex sensors on my glove and establishing communication between the sensors and my Arduino. Flex sensors are variable resistors, so they convert the amount that they are bent to electrical resistance, and the resistance increases with the amount bent. My goal was to measure this changing resistance value using the Arduino's analog input pins, but the Arduino is only able to measure voltage values and is not capable of taking in direct resistance measurements. So I had to create a circuit system which would output a voltage measurement which reflected the changing resistance value of the flex sensors. And to attain such a system, I created a voltage divider which would divide the 5 volts incoming from the red wire of the Arduino between the flex sensor wires, resistors, and my fixed 22K resistor, so that the voltage in between, the divided voltage, was indicative of the changing flex sensors' resistance outputs. The blue wires measure the voltage running between the 2 resistors and input those values into my Arduino's analog input pins. So I created a simple program which outputs to my computer screen the divided voltage in a 10-bit representation. And those numbers range roughly between 400 and 700 and decrease with the amount that the flex sensors are bent. I can demo this program now. So I'm now going to demo my program using the index finger flex sensor of my glove, which is the A3 analog input pin. And as you can see, the default straight value for my flex sensor is around 630, and as I bend it, it goes down to 620, 500, and keeps going down the more I bend my finger. And when it goes back to being straight, it goes back to 600s.